Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Tusima. This is the testnet, this is a free airdrop because you don't need to spend any money here. Like always in my videos, we are going to check a little bit about the project and then we are going to do the step-by-step on everything that you need to do in order to test this application and be ready to a possible airdrop. The project is a very interesting privacy financial infrastructure blockchain for layer 2. So we are going to cover everything about Tusima, the news, how to do the airdrop step by step like always, and what you need to do in the Discord. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, if this is your first time here, remember that I always cover airdrop videos. I talk a little bit about the project and then I explain you and show you step by step everything that you need to do for this airdrop. In this video, I'm going to go almost in everything step by step and the rest I'm going to show you for the official documentation. And remember that I have two subscriptions to offer you. One is for my private Discord, where we dominate the airdrops, the different projects that launch the airdrops. We always apply to different airdrops there. More airdrops that I can cover on my YouTube channel or in my social media. So if you really want to apply to all the airdrops, you need to be in the Discord. And if you want to be up to date with the distribution of these airdrops, we also all together cover all those distributions so you don't miss to get your tokens after applying to an airdrop. And we also cover many other things in the Discord, like portfolio strategies and other crypto projects and reviews and much more. And also, if you want to give another step in the path of an airdrop hunter, then you will need my application. You can check here the two videos on how my app works, but basically it's going to help you to keep everything organized and to apply easily to my airdrops and also to your custom airdrops. You will be able to add your own airdrops into my app, so you keep the control there on everything that involves the airdrop appliance and organization. So check the videos. If you are interested, you can just click these green buttons to subscribe there and you are going to be able to join us. So guys, today we cover this Tusima network. Just some warnings, this is not a new airdrop, this has been since September of 2022. I didn't cover this before and I am covering now because I still see in the Discord that people is applying to this and I am still seeing that it's a little under the radar. We have 30,000 members in Discord, but not many are applying to the testnet. So I think if we get an airdrop for this, it could be a very interesting airdrop because the project itself is very interesting. So the website is tusima.network. You can check here everything that they are sharing in terms of information, but you can see also this YouTube video that they have here so you understand easily and quickly how the Tusima network works. But Tusima is a layer 2 controllable privacy financial network based on Zeta rollup. So we are talking about a new infrastructure with the last technology in the market of layer 2 like Zeta rollups, and it's integrating zero knowledge proof. So this is a part of the privacy, iterative proof and homomorphic encryption technology. So everything here on the transactions is encrypted. Tusima performs controllable data privacy functions on the chain, and it also supports multi-chain interoperability, protects the privacy of sensitive data for DeFi users, and builds high TPS scalable financial network. It aims to build the infrastructure of controllable privacy finance in the era of Web3. So who is going to be interested in this network? Well, companies and banks and DeFi institutions. I don't know and I don't think that they care to have public all the transactions and all the movements. Privacy eventually is going to be part of our lives in the blockchain technology. And this is from the official information. Finishing the testnet, you will receive a test contribution certificate, the TusimaDAO SBT, and this could bring you a possible airdrop and stuff. So we are going to get this certificate doing the steps here on the airdrop. So without anything else, let's go to the step-by-step of the Tusima network testnet. So like always, the step 1 And the step 2 is follow them on Twitter and follow them on Discord. You are going to need those steps to be done. In Twitter, they are Tusima Network, 28,000 followers, so not a big amount. And in Discord is TusimaDAO, but you are going to find the links directly on my post. So if your first time here, everything that I am showing you here on this Excel file, you are going to find it in my website. So if you go to cryptocurrencystate.net, you can see all my videos for airdrops, and always you are going to see the post on the description of my video with this format. So you go to the post and you see my video and here the step-by-step on how to do and get this airdrop. The same that you see here for Arbitrum Finance, you are going to see it in the link on the description to my post on my website for Tusima Testnet Network. So follow there the steps, but now I continue showing this in the Excel file that I have here. So after follow them on Twitter and Discord, step 3 is you go to the app and connect with Ethereum Goerli Testnet. If you don't know what Goerli Testnet is the testnet of Ethereum, so you can search here Goerli, click on include testnet, and you add this network to MetaMask, and then you are going to be able to connect there, and you are going to need Ethereum, which is called Goerli Ethereum. Basically, it's a Faucet token. It's a token that doesn't have value but will help you to do the testnet stuff. And you go to the testnet.tusima.network. So we go to the application directly. From the website also you can click launch app and you are going to be redirected here, and here you can connect only with MetaMask. So connect your MetaMask here. You need to accept and sign the signature request, so click sign, and you are going to be asked to put a password. So step 4 is you need to set a password and write it down somewhere. Then click in continue and put the pass to log into Tusima Layer 2 network. Click unlock button. So we are here. We are going to put the password here. So click on enter. Now you need to put the password to log in and click unlock. And this will create your account here on Tusima the testnet. So you are logged in with your MetaMask with your Goerli network. In order to operate here, you are going to need Ethereum Goerli. To do that and to get that, you go to step 5, which is get Faucet Goerli Ethereum for gas fees. So click this link, it's going to send you here, and here you have many other links to get Ethereum Goerli. So you can use any of these links, it's very easy to use. For example, this one for Goerli Faucet. We go here. You need to be here log in to Alchemy. So you copy your address, you paste your address here, click I'm not a robot and put send and click on send me Ethereum. After you do that, you're going to see this animation, and very soon if you go to wallet, you're going to receive, I think it's 0.2 or 0.1 Goerli Ethereum here. So now that you have everything there, step 6, you go to the Faucet on Tusima, click claim tokens, confirm all. If you don't see your test tokens, click each button to add the token into your wallet. So you are here already, you go to here Faucet, and here Ethereum Goerli is selected, click on claim. You are going to pay gas fees with Goerli Ethereum, click on confirm, transaction is pending, you can see it here. And you are going to receive, like you can see here, 100 rapid Ethereum, 100 TSM, 100 USDT, 100 USDC, and 100 rapid BNB. So when you click here after it was confirmed, you can see get token transaction is still pending. If you go to asset, you maybe don't see your asset here, so you need to import it into your MetaMask. And to do that, you are going to click each of these buttons that is going to add you the token into your MetaMask on the Goerli Ethereum. So like you can see here on my Goerli Ethereum network, after claim and adding each of these tokens, I have all the tokens here. So we are ready on this step. Just in case, step 7, I will claim also testJPY on the button and add the token too. So go here, down here, click on claim. You can see the pending transaction here, and you can add the token here on test. Click add token, and that's it. So with that, we also did step 7, just in case you want to use that after. We go to step 8, which is go to the wallet section and deposit your tokens into Tusima Layer 2. So you click here on wallet, and then we are going to deposit here. Basically, the actions that you are going to need to do is deposit, you can send and you can withdraw. In deposit, you can see now my balance on Ethereum Goerli is 100 wrap Ethereum. So I will put here 10. I will click in approve. In custom spending cap, I will put 30. We'll click next. And I will edit this so my transactions get some priority. I will click save and I will click on approve. And here, guys, is where I have a problem that I am already contacting the project, but doesn't happen with all my wallets. So I wanted to do this tutorial anyways because this error, you may not have it. But after I do the approve, you can see that the transaction of approval of the Rapid Ethereum was approved correctly. This button should change to deposit and allow me to deposit the 10 into the Tusima Layer 2. But I'm not able to do that right now. So in order to continue the tutorial, I will do it from the official documentation. So we are in the step 8, which is deposit into Tusima Layer 2. You click the deposit button, you enter the number of deposit to be made, click approve for authorization. If there is no authorization of this token, will prompt first for authorization, and the authorization is also to initiate the transaction. Direct confirms of the transaction can be wait for the successful authorization, and the deposit button will appear. Click to make the deposit. So you can see that you put 10 here of the balance for Rapid Ethereum. You click on confirm, and then you click deposit to initiate this deposit confirmation. But you can see that in this wallet right now, I never saw the deposit button, keeps being unapproved, so I don't get into this step. But maybe you can do it, so after doing that, you will see that the deposit and the transaction was submitted correctly. And after the layer 1 deposit transaction is successful, it will be automatically submitted to Tusima Layer 2 network. At this time, you need to wait for about 1 minute. You can choose to return to the wallet page and wait. The deposit is successful, your asset amount increases, and the deposit transactions record is displayed. So after the deposit, you're going to see that you have here on balance column all the tokens that you sent. In my case, here I have 0 on this address because I was not able to do the deposit. But if you don't have any issue with that, you can deposit here. If you have issues, I have been having issues since yesterday, please go to the Discord channel of Tusima and put that in the feedback section or in the general chat section. After doing the deposit, we need to make a send, a transaction. This is a privacy transaction at Tusima. So because Tusima supports private transfers in their wallet, the recipient address of the private transfer must be registered on Tusima network. Otherwise, the transfer will fail. So you can click on the send button on the home page of your wallet to enter a privacy transfer page. Enter the number of tokens that you want to fill and send to that address. And remember that the address that you are going to send needs to be registered and activated in Tusima account. So here I put a wallet address that you can send tokens if you want. So you complete this transaction. This token doesn't worth anything and really I don't need them. So it's only for you to complete the transaction. There you have another wallet that is registered on the application that you can send. So send any of these tokens there. So you complete that private transaction. So you do the transfer, approve it and sign it in the MetaMask. The transaction is submitted to Tusima network. And while you wait in the transaction to be confirmed, because it uses the user local encryptation and not the node's cryptographic operation, takes about 1 minute for this to process. The privacy transfer was successful, the asset amount changed, and the send transaction record was shown. After doing the send, you need to do a withdraw. So we can do a withdraw assets back to the layer 1. In this case, the layer 1 is going to be our Goerli Ethereum, what we have been using. So you go to withdraw, enter the amount of tokens that you want to withdraw, and confirm the transaction. It's very easy to do. In the MetaMask pop-up, sign the authorization of Tusima network to perform the burning operation. And because the user's local encryptation and node's cryptographic operations take time to perform this process, you will need to wait about 1 minute again. After the first step is complete, the second step is to claim operation will automatically pop up for the user to confirm the transaction of claiming their token. The user confirms the transaction and waits for the token to arrive. So basically, you are going to see that from your balance you have now less tokens and you are going to have it in your Goerli Ethereum. So that is basically the step 10, guys. We throw asset back to the layer 1. Then step 11 is decrypt my ciphertext transaction in Explorer. That is still here on the documentation. The link is going to be in my post. To ensure successful connections to the wallet and view the ciphertext transactions before decrypting them, there are two ways to view the ciphertext transactions. The way one is you check in the Tusima wallet page, click on the wallet transaction history to go to the transaction detail. And you can see it's down here. And second, you can view it in the Tusima Explorer home and in my transactions. So here you click the button of encrypted. You can see here you need to sign this. And you are going to see everything there, the decrypted records, and you can download the transaction history. So click the download button there. And after you do that, guys, you basically finish with the testnet. So the step 12 is claim your TusimaDAO SBT. And you can do that going here, connected in your wallet. You go to testJPY SBT. So once you click this, if you're finishing everything, you can see down here, layer 1 deposit to layer 2, withdraw from layer 2, layer 2 privacy transfer, and decrypt transaction data in Explorer. After you do all that, which is what I just covered, you can click this button, you can get this certificate, the TusimaDAO. So this is going to help you to earn points, and those points are going to be eventually part of the airdrop. So here you have the direct link in any case after you complete the previous steps. And step 13, guys, that was step 12. Step 13 is send the feedback in Discord. You can put, like many others do here, your address and the screenshot that you already claimed this. Basically that is what everybody is doing here. And you can see many people didn't have the issue that I had, so probably you are going to be successful in doing this. But if you have the same issue that I have, put it in the Discord channel. And guys, the step 14, just in case, all the official step-by-steps are here. So I was able in this video to cover until the half of these steps. The other half is based on the official documentation that I cover. Follow this video until you can, then you can continue on the official documentation. I know this is not common for my videos. If your first time, I usually am able to do everything on the video. But in this case, I didn't want to wait until this is fixed or I was able to fix it. I just wanted to launch this video because I think Tusima Network is an important one. It has been from a while already, since the end of 2022. So because I saw that you still can get that certificate, which probably will help you for the airdrop, I didn't want to wait too much longer for cover this project. But basically in the video is everything covered that you need to do to get the certificate. And after that, I will say that the task 15 is keep an eye on the Discord, because you can get more points for your participation here on the different things of Discord. Keep an eye on the announcements, keep an eye on the task board and the points record and the general chat. Guys, that will be all for this Tusima Network airdrop, free airdrop for the testnet. Everything was covered in the video, even if I wasn't able to do it completely in my wallet, but you will find everything on the post of my video in my website. So remember, guys, if you want to give another step on this airdrop hunter path, you have my Discord channel, and here you can see all the information and everything that you are going to have in my Discord, and the same for my application. And here you have some videos on how my app works, and I am working on new updates. So my application is really going to help you to manage multiple wallets if you want, or if you just work with one wallet in multiple airdrops. So don't forget to check the videos here and subscribe to my Discord and my app. Guys, before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.